Number 1. Benign, meaning gentle, kind, or harmless. Synonyms: kind, gentle, mild. Antonyms: harsh, severe, malignant. Explanation: the policy aimed to create a benign environment for students to foster learning. Number 2. Arbiter, meaning a person or entity that decides or resolves disputes. Synonyms: judge, mediator, referee. Antonyms: agitator, disputer. Explanation: final exams act as the arbiter of student promotions. Number 3. Holistic, meaning considering the whole rather than just the parts. Synonyms: comprehensive, all encompassing, integrative. Antonyms: partial, fragmented. Explanation: holistic report cards emphasize multidimensional progress. Number 4. Cloister, meaning a quiet, secluded, or protected place. Synonyms: sanctuary, retreat, haven. Antonyms: exposure, chaos. Explanation: safe cloisters in schools are vital for student trust. Number 5. Alacrity, meaning cheerful readiness or promptness. Synonyms: eagerness, enthusiasm, quickness. Antonyms: reluctance, indifference, sluggishness. Explanation: authorities must act with alacrity to address safety concerns. Number 6. Stigmatization, meaning the act of treating someone as disgraceful or shameful. Synonyms: shaming, branding, discrimination. Antonyms: acceptance, respect, honor. Explanation: stigmatization based on caste or class creates barriers to education. Number 7. Marginalized, meaning treated as insignificant or peripheral. Synonyms: excluded, disadvantaged, sidelined. Antonyms: included, prioritized, empowered. Explanation: marginalized communities face systemic barriers in accessing resources. Number 8. Exacerbate, meaning to make a problem, situation, or feeling worse. Synonyms: worsen, aggravate, intensify. Antonyms: alleviate, ease, improve. Explanation: rising education costs exacerbate financial pressures on students. Number 9. Unprecedented, meaning never done or known before. Synonyms: unique, unparalleled, extraordinary. Antonyms: commonplace, ordinary, familiar. Explanation: the policy changes mark an unprecedented shift in education norms. Number 10. Trauma, meaning a deeply distressing or disturbing experience. Synonyms: shock, suffering, ordeal. Antonyms: comfort, relief, peace. Explanation: victims of crime often suffer lasting psychological trauma. Number 11. Depressurization, meaning the loss of pressure in a sealed system such as an aircraft cabin. Synonyms: decompression, release. Antonyms: pressurization, compression. Explanation: this term is often associated with aviation incidents and can lead to significant safety risks. Number 12. Periphery, meaning the outer limits or edge of an area. Synonyms: boundary, fringe. Antonyms: center, core. Explanation: indicates zones affected by the conflict beyond direct involvement. Number 13. Defiance, meaning open resistance or bold disobedience. Synonyms: resistance, opposition. Antonyms: compliance, submission. Explanation: reflects the defiance of norms when planes are denied safe landing. Number 14. Chasm, meaning a significant difference or division. Synonyms: rift, divide. Antonyms: connection, unity. Explanation: refers to the gap between the presidency and parliament. Number 15. Futility, meaning pointlessness or uselessness. Synonyms: ineffectiveness, vanity. Antonyms: utility, usefulness. Explanation: the futility of escalating conflict instead of resolving issues. Number 16. Gridlock, meaning a situation where progress is impossible due to disagreement. Synonyms: deadlock, impasse. Antonyms: breakthrough, progress. Explanation: political gridlock has paralyzed South Korea's governance. Number 17. Headwind. Meaning: an opposing force or obstacle. Synonyms: obstacle, challenge, hindrance, resistance. Antonyms: tailwind, advantage, aid, support. Explanation: challenges faced by the rupee, such as a strong dollar. Number 18. Protectionist, meaning policies that protect domestic industries by restricting foreign competition. Synonyms: nationalist, isolationist, restrictive. Antonyms: free trade, globalist, liberal. Explanation: refers to Donald Trump's stance on trade. Number 19. Inelastic, meaning not responsive to changes, especially in price or demand. Synonyms: unyielding, inflexible, rigid. Antonyms: elastic, flexible, responsive. Explanation: items like crude oil whose demand doesn't decrease despite price rises. Number 20. Equivocal, meaning open to more than one interpretation, ambiguous. Synonyms: ambiguous, unclear, vague. Antonyms: unequivocal, clear, definitive. Explanation: suggests the need for the government to make clear statements. Number 21. Gambit, meaning a strategic move often involving a risk to gain an advantage. Synonyms: strategy, ploy, maneuver, tactic. Antonyms: blunder, misstep, mistake. Explanation: refers to a chess opening move and metaphorically to strategies in life. Number 22. Astonishing, meaning extremely surprising or impressive. Synonyms: amazing, incredible, spectacular. Antonyms: ordinary, expected, unremarkable. Explanation: describes the remarkable year Indian chess has had. Number 23. Internal quibbles, meaning minor disputes or arguments within a group. Synonyms: disagreements, squabbles, disputes. Antonyms: agreement, harmony, unity. Explanation: despite internal disputes, India's chess federation remains active. Number 24. Quibble, meaning a slight objection or criticism. Synonyms: complaint, criticism, nitpick. Antonyms: compliment, praise, agreement, explanation, used to highlight minor internal disputes in the chess federation. 95. Seeded, meaning ranked in a competition based on ability. Synonyms: ranked, listed, placed. Antonyms: unranked, unseeded. Explanation: refers to Humpy's 10th rank in the Rapid Chess Championship. Number 26. Rekindle, meaning to revive or renew something. Synonyms: revive, renew, rejuvenate. Antonyms: extinguish, suppress, halt. Explanation: India must rekindle its efforts to promote chess nationwide. Number 27. Prominence, meaning the state of being important or well known. Synonyms: importance, recognition, prestige. Antonyms: insignificance. Explanation: India is gaining prominence in international chess. Number 28. Iron-willed, meaning showing strong determination. Synonyms: resolute, determined, steadfast. Antonyms: weak-willed, indecisive, unsure. Explanation: describes Humpy's persistence despite challenges. Number 29. Burgeoning, meaning growing or expanding rapidly. Synonyms: flourishing, booming, thriving. Antonyms: declining, stagnating, waning. Explanation: India's status in the chess world is burgeoning. Number 30. Underpinning, meaning a foundation or basis of something. Synonyms: basis, foundation, support. Antonyms: weakness, instability, fragility. Explanation: refers to the factors that support India's chess revolution. Thank you. Appreciate your time. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If this video added value to your day, See you next time with more exciting content. Your support keeps us motivated.